Hello, dear followers. Today is not a nice weather to swim, but I have had many questions about how I made my pump installation for the pool. I will show you this. Do you see this little black house there on the side? There is my pump and filter. Come with me, I will show you. I built the house from the old terrace stones in my garden. Here you see the filter. The filter is from the brand Speck. In the filter I have glass beads, no sand. The pump is a self-priming pump from the brand Hayward. Why is it self-priming? Because it has to bridge more than 10 meters. The resistance is high. Here you see my waistline. I use this to backwash my filter. And here you see the bypass. You need the bypass to be able to squeeze the water for the heat pump. The heat pump is from the brand Woe and has a capacity of 6 kWh. On swimming days I can easily get the water to 28 degrees. Look. You can hardly see the pump house and the heat pump between the trees. I want to thank you for looking, and I hope I was able to give more clarity on how I keep my pool clean. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will always answer. Goodbye.